Alright, so today we're going to do a quick unboxing video of the Immortal Mask Hellhound masks. This is one of their first lycanthrope masks created by Immortal Masks. Oh, that looks amazing. Ah, it's so cool. It's a lot lighter. The werewolf mask that I did a video on not too long ago, it's also on my channel. That one is a lot heavier than this one. This one is a lot lighter than the werewolf. This is the Hellhound. And it feels similar to it. The texture and everything is similar to the werewolf from Immortal Mask, but it's a lot lighter, so should be a lot easier to wear.
This is the Hellhound mask from Immortal Mask. It's a lot more comfortable than the werewolf mask from Immortal Mask. It's a lot easier to breathe in. You can't breathe in through your nose, you have to breathe in through your mouth. This mask looks absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it if you're a huge fan of Immortal Masks. It's definitely worth getting it. It's easy to wear, it's easy to breathe in, and it's actually pretty roomy. I have a large head, I have a very large head, and this one's actually really roomy. I noticed that the werewolf mask from Immortal Mask was very tight, but this Hellhound one is actually pretty loose. It does kind of put weight onto my eyes, and I kind of have to like push it back into place, kind of massage it back into place. But I'm glad that it is a bit roomy because I have a very large head, so I'm glad it fits. And since it's a bit roomy, it does make it easy to put on, so that's great. It's also very light. Now, if you're wondering how you can wear this mask for a longer period of time, the key is plenty of water. Now, how do you drink water while wearing this mask? Well, I figured out a way. This is how you drink water while wearing this mask. You get a bottled water, and then you just simply get a straw. That's how you drink water while wearing this mask. Just bottled water and a straw. But yeah, looks great. Let me see. Let me try a voice with it.
Something like this. Yeah. Same voice I use with the werewolf. Yeah, I think this works pretty well with it. Yeah, I think this works pretty well with it. As you can see, the jaw kind of moves too as you talk. Some facial movement. It looks incredible. It's easy to wear.
So yeah, I love the Hellhound. It looks great. I'm glad I bought it. It's a good purchase. A great purchase.
Feel free to like and subscribe.